Hi everyone, I just thought I'd send a helpful hint about making a copy from things out of our shared files. It seems like it gets bogged down with people's copies, and I even saw that we had to make an extra folder for copies of copies. So let me show you a quick way that you can do it, that it saves directly to your file and you don't have to worry about that. Okay, so right now I'm in my drive, and you could go to Shared with Me. You have access to things. I have mine starred already, so I'm going to go to my starred folder. Okay, so here we have the different folders, dyslexia virtual lessons and all the year 1, year 2, and 3 things, recordings that we made. I'm going to go to the virtual lesson 1 folder and open that up. And I'm just going to randomly pick something. Let me pick mastery checks. Open that up. Okay, so you see here a lot of people have made copies, which is great that they made copies, but I'm going to show you another trick. Let's see if this opens up to something else. Oops, that one wasn't a folder. Let me pick one of these. Okay, here is, just do this one, copy of master check 1. I think Stephanie was the author anyway. Thank you, Stephanie. If it wasn't Stephanie, then I'm sorry. That was just the name I saw there. Okay, so I want to make a copy of this. So I can go to File. Of course, it's being slow. Make a copy. Now, here's the thing. See, now it says copy of a copy. Well, I don't need it necessarily to say that. I'm going to take away the copy of copy, just so it says copy of, because I'm going to want that copy of in my own file folder as a template anyway, so I'm going to leave it for copy of. Now down here where it says folders, it says mastery check, because that's where I just got it from. I don't want to put it back in that folder because then I have to go to that folder to get it. I want it in my drive. So I'm going to click on that. Okay, now you see underneath here, these are all the things that are in that mastery check. Like I said, I don't want to put it there. So I'm going to back click on this. And these are what's in the virtual lesson 1. I still don't want that one. I'm going to back click again. Now I've gotten to my drive. This is what I want. I'm going to click on that. And these are the folders I have in my drive. So I'm going to select this one, dyslexia lessons. Now, this one I think in particular I actually have I could either click on this and hit select, but in this case I think I have a folder already, so I'm going to click that arrow, and I actually have a folder here for mastery checks. So I'm going to select that one, hit select, and I don't need it to share, I don't need to worry about comments or anything else, and I'm going to hit OK. So now this copy of mastery check 1 is saved to my drive. If I go back over here to this, you don't see my name listed anywhere as making a copy of it. I did, but it doesn't show up that everybody else has to see. Even over here, you don't see all that. So now I'm going to go back to my drive just to make sure I've got it. And I'm going to go down to my folders, and I saved it in dyslexia lessons. Open that up to mastery check. And I'd actually already made a copy of it. So this is the one right here, 1032. This is what I just did. So here I made a copy of it, and it's in my drive, and I didn't have to take it back to the shared drive and to blog that down. So I hope that helps everyone when they're trying to save things so that they can get it directly to where they want and have to stop having to search for where you've made a copy. Thanks. Have a great day. Bye.